how to send money from Payoneer to Payoneer. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Payoneer to Payoneer. So first of all, just open your browser and here on the search bar, just search for Payoneer. And here on the home screen, just log into your Payoneer account. And now you are at the home screen of your Payoneer account. As you can see that at the left side of my home screen, there is no pay option available for me. The reason being is that in order to enable the payment option in your Payoneer account, you first have to receive a valid payment from big platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or any other platform. And once you receive authentic payment from any of those platforms, your payment option will be enabled on your Payoneer account. And there is another way through which you can also send or transfer money from your Payoneer to Payoneer. So just click on get paid option, and after that you will see these options right here: request a payment or receiving amount. So just click on request a payment, and after that you can request another Payoneer account user to send you money on your Payoneer, and that is also how you can receive money from your Payoneer account. So these are the two ways through which you can send money from Payoneer account to another Payoneer account.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.